I'm Mike Crandall. At our firm, we specialize in elevating leadership, management, and sales performance. Today, I want to talk to you about something that you probably heard about recently because it's a kind of hot topic, and that's AI, artificial intelligence. If you turn on almost any news or social platform, there's all this talk about AI and what's going to happen and are these jobs going to be replaced, and maybe even thinking about is your job going to be replaced. Here's the interesting thing. Odds are the vast majority of people are not fully ever going to be replaced. But here's something to think about. Those that learn how to use the technology are probably going to make it a lot farther. Now, what do I mean by that? The salesperson might never be replaced by AI, but the salesperson who learns how to use and leverage and maximize AI is going to accomplish a whole lot more. They're going to be able to respond and write and send emails faster and monitor social posts better. So they're going to be able to accomplish more, which means they're going to be able to get farther. Maybe they're going to sell more, they're going to sell faster. There's still going to be a place for some people that don't use it, don't embrace it, but it's where those people get in their career. So here's what I'd encourage you to do. Don't necessarily be afraid of it, but learn how to use it to become better at your job. Let me say that again. Learn how to use it to become better at your job. The better that you learn new technology, the farther you will go. If this is something you're struggling with, I encourage you to reach out and find help. There's no shortage of resources to help you get better at this. Once again, I'm Mike Crandall. Good selling.